Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think the last full length video on antennas that I made was on Markson antenna. So I have connected my Markson antenna. I think one of the comment was that my SWR was looking a little bit suspicious. So let me just walk you through with it. What happened with that SWR? So remember, in my picture I have multiple split screens. I have my SWR, I had my S11, and I also have impedance on it. So I had a split screen. So what happened when you do a split screen in these, the scales brought it like a little bit smaller as compared to a full length video, as compared to a full screen. The scale was not chosen correctly. That's why it looks a little bit suspicious. Let me just walk you through it. So this is my S11, as you can clearly see, and right here S11. So I want to go to my measure. I want to go to my format. I want to look at my SWR now. Now, this is how the SWR is supposed to look like. Now, in my split screen, let me just go to a split screen and then I'll show you. Let me go to my display diagram and let me add trace and diagram. Let's do split. Let's do like triple split. So here, I'm going to choose this to be, so this is my SWR. Let me change this to my measure S11. S11 format. Let me look at dbmag. So this is my SWR. Here I want to look at my measurement. I want to go to my Z and I want to look at my Z11, and here I want to look at my SWR. So measure, ratio, format, SWR. So this is what my graph would look like if you saw it in my last video. Now I forgot to actually change the scale for it, so I'll just go to my scale. And I'm going to choose this scale to be, instead of 1U, I want to choose this scale to be something different, a little bit lower. Here we go. So this is what my SWR. Let me change this instead of, so S11, and let me look at my, and let me go to my scale. Here we go. So actually I forgot to change the scale. The graph was looking something like this, which was definitely quite suspicious because my scale was not chosen properly. So when you choose your scale properly, you would see a better looking graph. So when I change this, so my scale was quite high. So if my scale was something like this, now this graph is looking something like this. So on your horizontal scale on SWR, you will find frequency. On your vertical scale, you will find number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at the bottom, my reference is 0 and my reference scale is 1 because this is what I want. So my graph was looking something like this. Definitely that looks quite suspicious. So that was the mistake I think probably I made, because when I had a split screen on, I forgot to actually look at my scale. So that's the thing that that was the problem when in that graph. So I'll probably upload this video again, and thanks for pointing this out, and thanks, and keep watching, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and thank you very much.